Okay, so if we show the results that you should be getting from the calculator as I just demonstrated, for beta naught, your standard error should be 21.094. For beta 1, it's 1.269, and for beta 2, it's 0.473. So using these values and the values we calculated earlier, we can then calculate our test statistic. So in your test statistic, you'll be using the values from here divided by the values from here. So just for a quick example, I'll do the test statistic for beta naught. So we have our t-stat for beta naught, and that would be 170.639 divided by the standard error for that value, which is 21.094. So if we divide these two values, you should get the value 8.089. And if you were to do the same thing for beta 1 and beta 2, you should get a test statistic for beta 1, negative 0.962. And for beta 2, 0.062. And next we can calculate the confidence intervals. So for the confidence interval, you have a lower bound and you have an upper bound. So for the lower bound, you'll be using the beta coefficient value, which we calculated over here, subtracted by the product of this value that you calculated for your t-stat, multiplied by your standard error. So for a quick example, we can do the formula for a confidence interval with a lower and upper bound for beta naught. So for beta naught, we have, let's see, 170.639. We're doing the lower limit, so I'm going to subtract this value. So you have 8.089 multiplied by your standard error, which is 21.094. And this should give you a value of 79.871. And for the upper bound, you're doing the exact same thing, but we're adding. So we have 170. I'll label these. So this is your lower bound, upper bound. We have 170.639 plus 8.089 times 21.094. And that should give you a value of 261.406. And you can do the same thing using the values for your beta 1 and beta 2, but it's the exact same process. So I hope this tutorial helped. If you have any other questions, feel free to come to the ASU Economics Tutoring Center. Thank you.
Good.